So over here on the left hand side, if I were to go around and click on my media, then you can see that I have linked some of my accounts right here in my Dropbox and Google Photos and Google Drive. And if I were to go around and click over here, then I can directly access out my Google Drive right here, or my Google Photos, or my Dropbox right here, because I have the account linked out, as you can see right here. But what if I don't want the account linked, and let's say I want to maybe link out another account, or I just don't want to keep my linked account over there. In that case, you can easily disconnect your linked accounts as well. So to do that, all you need to do is click on the three dot button right here, and disconnect account option pops up. So you need to go around over here and click, and then you have an option to disconnect the account, as you can see. And once you do that, what happens is that you can see that the Google accounts now has been disconnected. So if I were to click on Google Drive or Google Photos, now it says connect Google Drive again, and it says connect Google Photos as well. If I were to go to Dropbox, it is still shown right here because it is a separate service. So if you want to go around and disconnect that out as well, then you need to click on the three dot button and click on disconnect account, and click on disconnect, and the account will be disconnected, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can disconnect out linked accounts inside of Microsoft Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.